Today, we'll walk you through setting up delivery instructions on USPS so your packages are placed securely in your Loxx box. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting, you'll need your USPS tracking number for the package you're expecting. Step 2. Go to the USPS website. Visit USPS.com and look for the tracking option in the upper right-hand corner. Click on it. Step 3. Enter your tracking number. Take your USPS tracking number and enter it into the provided field. This will pull up your package details and available delivery options. Step 4. Check available actions. Once your tracking number is entered, you'll see a list of actions at the bottom of the page. These include text and email updates and delivery instructions. This is the one you need. Step 5. Sign in or create a USPS account. USPS will prompt you to log in if you're not already signed in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's quick and easy. Step 6. Choose your delivery location. Once your address is confirmed, you'll see several delivery options, including front door, back door, side door, porch, other. This is where you specify your Loxx box. Step 7. Add your access code. In the additional instructions field, enter the access code for your Loxx box. You can set a custom code for USPS or use the last 4 digits of the tracking number for a one-time secure delivery. Step 8. Confirm and save. Once you've entered your delivery instructions, click Terms and Conditions and then click Submit. You'll receive a confirmation that your instructions have been saved. That's it. Your USPS carrier will know where to place your packages securely inside your Loxx box. We hope this guide helps you get the most out of your Loxx box. Happy deliveries!